are visitors booking through the Calendly from your website. Now you want to know where those visitors are coming from and how many booking using GA4. Let's get started. Navigate to Google Tag Manager, move on tag, new, tag configuration, scroll down and select custom HTML. Put here the listener code. I will include the code link in the description below. Scroll a bit and triggering. Select all page. Let's the name tag. Then save. To check our listener code works properly, go to preview. The website link must be here. Then connect. We navigate to the page where our Calendly is embedded. This is our Calendly. Let's schedule a meeting. Now back to Tag Assistant. Then continue. Here we see bunch of event. Event type viewed. Date and time selected. Event scheduled. Back to Google Tag Manager. Move on variable. To tag Calendly events, we need to create user-defined variable. So click on New, Variable Configuration. Then select Data Layer Variable. Back to Tag Assistant and copy Calendly event name as it is. It won't work if there is slight change. Move on Google Tag Manager and paste under the data layer variable name. Let's the name variable. Then save. Now we create a triggers. Click on triggers. Then new. Trigger configuration. A bit scroll down and select custom event. Back to Tag Assistant and copy event value. Back to Google Tag Manager and paste here under the event name. Let's name the trigger. Click on Save. Let's move on tag. We will send the data to GA4. Before this, the GA4 config tag must be installed. New, tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event, and paste here GA4 measurement ID. I already created the GA4 measurement ID constant, so I am selecting this constant. Creating a GA4 measurement ID constant is very easy. Click on plus icon, again plus icon, variable configuration, scroll down and select constant. Paste here GA4 measurement ID, then variable name and save, then event name. Back to Tag Assistant and copy value and paste here. Then underscore, click on plus icon and select variable that we created for Calendly. Let's triggering. Select GA4 Calendly trigger. Previously we created. Now name the tag. Click on Save. Let's go to preview and test everything is working properly. Click on Continue. Move on our website. Navigate this page where embedded our Calendly and schedule a meeting. Back to Tag Assistant. Here we see J4 Calendly event tag fired. Let's check if the J4 data is sending properly. Go to admin. Under the data display, go to debug view. Here you see Calendly all event received properly. Now let's create a conversion event. Copy this conversion and move on events. Click on create event and paste here that we copied. Scroll down and paste here page URL. The page where Calendly link is embedded. Copy the URL and paste here. Then click on create. Within 24 hours, we see our event. Let's quickly recap on what we did. Added listener code in GTM, created variable, trigger and J4 event tag, tested in debug view, created a conversion event in J4. Now Calendly bookings are tracked in J4.